Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add bullet points in table in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly then you show the table is add bullet point. Firstly then you show then you can say is select your table in columns and go into the home menu option and click for the bullet points icon option and click for the bullet points option. It's okay. Then again select your others table columns option and go into the bullet option and click for the bullet points option. That's okay. Then I show the add bullet points table in Microsoft Word. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for